Welcome back to ClearTask. If you need to change your PowerPoint slides from the default landscape view to a vertical portrait format, here is how to do it in just a few seconds. Open your presentation and look at the top menu ribbon. Click on the Design tab. Move your cursor to the far right side of the toolbar and click on Slide Size. From the drop-down menu, select Custom Slide Size. A new dialog box will pop up. In the top right corner of this box, under the Orientation section, simply choose Portrait. Click OK to apply the change. PowerPoint will then ask how you want to scale any existing content on your slide. You can select either Maximize to make your content fill the new space, or Ensure Fit to guarantee nothing gets cut off the edges. As a quick bonus tip, if your new portrait slide looks a bit too wide and you want it to match a standard physical document, go back into Custom Slide Size. Under the Slide Sized For drop-down menu, select A4 paper, hit OK, and choose Maximize again. Your slide is now perfectly proportioned for printing or saving as a PDF document. That is all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more direct, easy-to-follow tutorials.